this video series, we will learn data cleaning using object-oriented programming in Python with a strong focus on preserving data reliability and ethics. I will explain ethical data cleaning methods that do not compromise the integrity of the dataset. We will discuss when and why certain data cleaning techniques should be used and, more importantly, when they should not be used. Data cleaning. In data cleaning, we may have to handle missing values, outliers, incorrect data type, standardizing formats for date or string, handle duplicate values. In this video, I will be discussing on how to handle missing values. While dealing with missing values, one must check how much data is missing in a column, data type of column containing missing values, the purpose for which analysis is done. Methods for dealing with missing values. We can either delete rows with missing values or replace missing values with another value. Replacing value can be average, or we can use a regression estimate, or we can fill from the previous value, or fill from next value, or fill using an extreme value. Let us discuss each of the cases. Cases where missing values are replaced by extreme values. This is a birth registration data. Columns are registration ID, date of birth, gender, age of mother, place of birth, birth order. Here, in age of mother column, there are missing values. How can we replace these missing values? Which method should be adopted for replacing missing values here? Filling missing values in administrative data. In administrative or legal data, missing values cannot be filled statistically. We cannot delete the row because each row represents a legal fact about a real person. We cannot use mean, median, or mode. Replace missing age by an extreme value that can never occur naturally, say 999. So here, this is an administrative data, so we fill with an extreme value. Cases when missing values are replaced by average of column. This is an experimental data with trial and response time as columns. Here there is a missing value. Missing values are replaced by average such as mean, median or mode when data is not used to describe or decide about specific individuals or official facts but only to study aggregate patterns. This is used when data is cross-sectional, variance is stable, proportion of missing values are small. We know that when the data is not cross-sectional, when it is time series, then there can be trend occurring in the data. So, it is not suggested to use the replacing the average, replacing the missing values by average of column. Cases when missing values are replaced by regression estimate. Here there is air quality modeling. 4 columns are there: location, traffic, industry index, PM 2.5. So we can create a model using regression analysis, and so that the missing value in PM 2.5 can be filled using regression estimate. This can be treated as a dependent variable and it can be modeled using the independent variables traffic and industry index. Cases when missing values are replaced by regression estimate. Regression imputation is used when missing values of a dependent variable can be reliably estimated from observed independent variables, and the purpose is analytical or predictive rather than administrative. Cases when missing values are replaced from previous or next row. Here there are two data sets. You can see that in these two data sets, place some of the rows are missing in the place column. This is because it is a repetition of the previous row, or it is the same as the next row. Cases when missing values are replaced from previous or next row. Forward fill and backward fill are used when missing values originate from repeated labels in structured tables, not from absence of information. Cases when rows with missing values are deleted. When can we delete the rows containing the missing values? Consider situations in which same experiment is repeated many times. Trials are exchangeable. Deleting a row does not delete fact of record. Now we will study how to deal with missing values in Python programming language. In Python programming language, especially in pandas, a value must be explicitly marked as missing value using NaN or NA. Otherwise, Python does not treat it as missing. Representation and the meaning is given in this table. np.nan, NA means not a number. pd.na, pandas native missing value. None is converted to NaN in numeric. Now let us consider how can we deal with this missing value in Python programming language. We will use here object-oriented programming approach. This will take some time to for the PyCharm. I am doing here using PyCharm, and first of all, and you know what an object is. Object is a real thing that has data and actions or methods